Hello, little readers. Are you ready to level up your reading skills? Today, we will practice sentences that start with the word he. Let's begin. He likes to swim. Let's read it together again. He likes to swim. Now it's your turn to read it. Awesome. He likes to talk. Let's read it together again. He likes to talk. Now it's your turn. Great job. He ran home. Let's read it together one more time. He ran home. Now you give it a try. Awesome. He can draw. Let's read it together. He can draw. Now it's your turn. Great job, you did it. Great job. Remember to keep practicing. I'll see you later.